Cici. Just want to say thanks for support and trust in 2025. Wishing you a Merry Christmas. Happy holiday!
This is Mia. Merry Christmas. Hope this season brings you a lot of love and wonderful moments.
Hi, this is Emily. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Thanks for your trust and support. I wish all the best with your family and the business. Happy New Year!
Hi, this is Kiko. Happy holidays. Thank you so much for your trust and support. I wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Hello, I'm Nancy. Merry Christmas.
Hello, I'm Andy from SuperAir. Today I'm here to wish you a Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. And thanks for your trust in the last year and on all your support. And wish you and your family all the best in the next year and for your business.
Everyone, this is Kelsey. Wish you a Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Enjoy your holidays.
Everyone, this is AB from SuperAir. Thanks for your great support and trust. Wish you and your family a great success, joy and health in the coming new year.
This is John. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year to you. Hope you will have a good time with your family and friends during your vacation.
Hello, this is Flora. Thanks for all your support and trust in this year. Hope all the best in the next year for your family and your business. Hola, soy Flora. Mis mejores deseos para ti y tu familia en estas fiestas. Que tengas una Navidad llena de paz, esperanza y felicidad. Que tengas muchos éxitos en el próximo año.
Wish you a warm Christmas to the world and to you.
This is Jason from SuperAir. Wish you a very Merry Christmas and a happy, successful New Year. Thank you for your partnership this year. We are excited to achieve even more together in 2026. Cheers to a fantastic year ahead. Thank you.